Hello and welcome to this guide on HTML5. HTML5 is the latest version of HTML, HyperText markup language, the standard markup language used to create websites. In this guide, we will explore the features and benefits of HTML5. Chapter 1. What is HTML5? HTML5 is a markup language used to structure content on the web. It was developed by the World Wide Web Consortium, W3C, and was released in 2014. HTML5 is designed to work on all modern devices and browsers and includes new features that make it easier to create web pages. Chapter 2. New features of HTML5. HTML5 includes many new features and improvements over previous versions of HTML. Some of the new features include 1. Improved semantic tags, such as and, which make it easier to structure content on a web page. 2. New input types, such as date, time, and email, which make it easier to create forms and collect user data. 3. The element, which allows for dynamic graphics and animations to be created on a web page. 4. The in elements, which allow for media to be embedded directly into a web page without the need for plugins. Chapter 3. Benefits of HTML5. HTML5 offers many benefits to web developers, including 1. Improved performance and speed. 2. Better accessibility and SEO. 3. Improved mobile support. 4. Improved security. 5. Reduced need for plugins, such as Flash. Chapter 4. Getting started with HTML5. To get started with HTML5, you will need a text editor such as Notepad, Atom, or Sublime Text. You can begin by creating a basic HTML5 document using the and tags. You can then add content to your web page using semantic tags and other HTML5 features. Conclusion: HTML5 is a powerful and versatile tool for web developers. Its new features and improvements make it easier to create dynamic and engaging web pages that work on all modern devices and browsers. By learning HTML5, you can create better websites and improve your web development skills.